I copy paste all my little groupings into my notes app. So then when I'm on Instagram, I can just easy copy paste them in the different groupings to my posts. Give you access to this spreadsheet, and you can get all the data is in there as well. But when you start with this, then when you go to the next step and you're making the little groupings and putting them in your notes app, it's really easy just to copy and paste. So Tarlise does this really well, where she was just doing the research and then copy paste straight from Instagram into her notes app. And I went like, wait a minute, I can't do that. So I added this extra step with this spreadsheet, and I sent my assistant actually to go do all the research, put it in the spreadsheet, give it to me, and then now I can create the groupings. I create it on my desktop notes app. Can you hop over to step 3, Tarlise?
Absolutely.
I created it on my, I use the spreadsheet, and then I copy paste into all my little groupings into my notes app. I can do that on my desktop, and then they're available to me because they sync in the cloud to my phone. And so then when I'm on Instagram, I can just easy copy paste them in the different groupings to my posts.